Yeah, so currently what we are doing in here is that we are growing herbs and we're growing microgreens. We got these awesome LED lights from Paris that makes it possible for us to grow really nice products like this. This is the nasturtium or the coriander like this, and we can grow it in here. We don't have to ship the product around from hundreds of kilometers away, and this changes really how the restaurants and the people can get fresh food all over the world without any problem, and it stays fresh because it's delivered really healthy and nice. We don't use any fertilization or anything to this. This is only pure water, and it's really amazing that only pure water can make a product like this. No fertilizer, only water, cocoa, and yeah, some seeds. That's basically it. It's really nice. And these products usually come from the Netherlands, but here in Denmark we started growing them, so now we don't have to ship products all the way from Netherlands to Denmark to the restaurants, because we can grow it locally in-house. And we can make a really nice, stable product all year round. So really nice. This is Microgreens.